guys, hope you all are very well and safe. So today I'm going to talk about one of the best hair care products which are from Black Pearl Cosmetic. So firstly I'm going to show you Black Pearl Red Onion Shampoo. This shampoo is formulated with natural ingredients like red onion seed oil, black seed oil, pro vitamin B5 which helps promote healthy hair. This is also helps to smoothen hair cuticles which makes your hair shiny, smoothie and thicker. Second product is Black Pearl Onion Oil, and this oil is just amazing guys, trust me, because it contains lots of natural ingredients in just one oil. It has red onion seed oil which make your hair thicker and stronger. Coconut oil provide deep nourishment. Jojoba oil hydrate the hair scalp. Amla oil reduce hair oil. Bhringraj extract help to treat dandruff and dry scalp. And seriously इसके इतने सारे benefit हैं in just one oil. Oh my god, I just love this oil. Last but not the least, let's talk about the hair growth serum. So here is Black Pearl hair growth serum, and it is formulated with the prosopil, ginger and many other hair friendly ingredients. So all we know very well that ginger is very beneficial for our hair, क्योंकि हमारे जो स्कैल्प में ब्लड को फ्लो करता है वो जिंजर के यूज़ से हम उस चीज़ को गेन करते हैं. सो गाइज, दिस इज़ अ वेरी बेनिफिशियल, वेरी गुड ऑयल एंड सीरम फॉर यू. So what are you waiting for? Just go and grab this wonderful product by Black Pearl Cosmetic and enjoy your lovely smoothie and shiny hair. And we'll catch you with the new product of Black Pearl Cosmetic. Till then, see ya!